Meanwhile, viewers, Owaisi, the AIMIM chief, continues to fearmonger on the Waqf Amendment Bill. He has made a big statement saying that if the bill is brought in, it would lead to social instability and push the nation back to the 1980s and early 1990s. This is the big statement coming in from Asaduddin Owaisi as the JPC chairman is all set to present the report, the amended report on the Waqf Amendment Bill in the Parliament today. Let's listen in to Asaduddin Owaisi.
Sir, I am cautioning and warning this government. I am cautioning and warning this government. If you bring and make a Waqf law in the present form, which will be violation of Article 25, 26 and 14, it will lead to social instability in this country. It has been rejected by the entire Muslim community. No Waqf property will be left. Nothing will be left, I say. You want to make India Viksit Bharat? We want Viksit Bharat. You want this country to take back into 80s and early 90s? It will be your responsibility. Because as a proud Indian Muslim, I will not lose an inch of my masjid. Forget about a masjid. I will not lose an inch of my dargah. I will not allow that. We will no more say and come and give a diplomatic talk over here. This is the house which I have to stand up and say honestly that my community, which you are proud Indians, it is my property, not given by anyone. You cannot snatch it away from me. Waqf is a form of a worship for me.
Riyanka is joining me live this morning from the national capital. Riyanka, a very good morning to you. Owaisi, once again, back to his fear-mongering tactics, saying that the Waqf Amendment Bill will lead to social instability and push the nation back 25 years.
That's right. There is a recent statement coming in from Asaduddin Owaisi, who is apparently fear-mongering ahead of this report of the JPC on the Waqf Amendment Bill, which is all set to be tabled in the Parliament. And he is in fact saying that this will in fact cause a social instability. In fact, Asaduddin Owaisi said that he will not be giving in 1 inch of the Dargah and 1 inch of the Waqf land. On the other hand, there are several other statements that he has made. He's also said that the entire Muslim community has opposed it. On the other hand, we also know that the JPC had taken into considerations all the Muslim scholars. There were several meetings that were held over the last few months, but despite that, Owaisi coming out and making a statement that no Muslim, no one in the Muslim community has given an approval for this very Waqf Amendment Bill. So that causes a lot of controversy when it comes to this very report of the bill that will be tabled in the Parliament today. So we have to wait and see what happens next. But for now, Owaisi, who has been opposing the Waqf Amendment Act since the start, has once again opposed and made his statements very, very clear.
Well, Riyanka, today, like you mentioned, it will be tabled in the Parliament. The report will be presented. But tell us about the timings, and also, could we expect a fresh showdown as well in the Parliament while this report is being presented?
Well, yes, there is a lot of commotion already amongst the India Alliance leaders who have been opposing this very Waqf Amendment Bill, that the most controversial bill being brought in and talked about. On the other hand, we know that as this bill gets presented by JPC Chairman Jagadambika Pal and Sanjay Jaiswal, the BJP MP, there is already a lot of anger and amidst the India Alliance leaders. In fact, we were talking about Asaduddin Owaisi. He mentioned that he had given out his dissent notes, out of which most of the part of his dissent note was deleted. On the other hand, if we talk about Jagadambika Pal, who had very clearly mentioned that around 423 pages of the report which was created, out of which 281 were dissent notes. So there he lauded the democratic action which was considered by the JPC on this front. But we have to wait and see what happens next because, yes, as you rightly mentioned, a showdown is anticipated ahead in the Parliament when this bill is being tabled, or rather the report of this bill is being tabled by the JPC.